Arrive in style with this Dodge 2018 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, GPS antenna input, media hub, 2 USB, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4/7 display, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.